Did you know that some seemingly innocent foods can cause your blood sugar to spike even higher than sugar itself? It's a hidden danger lurking in many of our favorite snacks. What if I told you that this could lead to insulin resistance, increased fat storage, and even diabetes? Stick around as we unravel the shocking truth about what's really going on in your body and how these foods could be affecting your health more than you ever imagined. Let's dive into the science. When you consume carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose, which enters your bloodstream. This triggers your pancreas to release insulin, a hormone that helps your cells absorb glucose for energy. But not all carbohydrates are created equal. They can be broadly categorized into good carbs and bad carbs based on their impact on blood sugar levels and overall health. Good carbs have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower and more gradual increase in blood sugar levels. The fiber content in these foods helps regulate digestion and maintains a steady release of energy, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Bad carbs typically have a high glycemic index, leading to quick spikes in blood sugar. This can trigger a rapid release of insulin, which helps lower blood sugar levels, but can lead to insulin resistance over time. When the body is constantly flooded with sugar, it may store excess glucose as fat, contributing to weight gain, visceral fat accumulation, and increased risk of conditions like type 2 diabetes. Ultra-processed foods can cause your blood sugar to spike rapidly, leading to an overproduction of insulin. This can create a vicious cycle. High insulin levels promote fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area, leading to visceral fat accumulation. Over time, consistent spikes in insulin can lead to insulin resistance, where your cells become less responsive to insulin. This means your body needs to produce even more insulin to get the same effect. The result? Higher insulin levels circulate in your bloodstream, which encourages further fat storage and can contribute to the development of type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that insulin resistance is closely linked to increased fat in the liver and around the abdomen, putting you at risk for serious health issues. This process may deplete vital minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and zinc, as the body utilizes these minerals to manage blood sugar levels and metabolize carbohydrates. Before we move on, if you're finding this information eye-opening, don't forget to hit that like button. Elevated blood sugar can also lead to increased blood pressure, a significant risk factor for heart disease. The combination of insulin resistance and chronic inflammation can cause blood vessels to constrict, elevating blood pressure levels. Additionally, it can damage nerves, especially in your hands and feet, leading to pain, tingling, or numbness. Over time, high blood sugar can harm the kidneys, making it harder for them to filter waste. This can lead to kidney failure if not managed. High sugar levels can damage blood vessels in your eyes, which can lead to vision loss. On the other hand, it can weaken the immune system, making you more prone to skin infections. But that's not all. High consumption of certain processed foods can disrupt your gut microbiome, leading to conditions like small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or SIBO. This imbalance can exacerbate insulin resistance, making it even harder for your body to manage blood sugar levels effectively. A compromised gut can also lead to inflammation, further complicating your health and increasing the risk of chronic diseases. Many processed foods are marketed as healthy or sugar-free, but may contain high levels of refined starches. These starches can be just as harmful as sugar, if not more so, because they often lack the nutrients that help regulate blood sugar, like fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Instead of providing sustained energy, these foods can lead to quick crashes, leaving you craving more and stuck in a cycle of unhealthy eating. So, the next time you reach for a snack, think twice. Understanding the hidden dangers of certain carbohydrates can empower you to make better choices for your health. The truth is, understanding what's in your food is crucial to your health. By avoiding these harmful starches, you can take control of your blood sugar and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who need to know. Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you noticed these hidden ingredients in your favorite snacks? Let's spread awareness together. See you in the next video.